Good morning everyone. Our word for today is Pacific. Bago po tayo, wait, before I proceed sa mga words na ibinigay ko, trivia. The largest ocean in the whole world is the Pacific Ocean. Okay? I was baptized as a Christian, there are a lot of struggles. But I experienced this kind of life when I was baptized as a Christian. It doesn't mean to say that unless it's a religion, it's actually this relationship that I had with my Savior is I cannot explain. It's unbelievable and unimaginable. But then I have to explain this to you. Powerful, just like the Pacific. P, powerful. You will be powerful because you can conquer all the problems because you know that God is with you and He will never leave you. A, it's an amazing feeling because you're worryless. You will not worry. And C, you are calm. Whatever trials, whatever pain, whatever depression, whatever frustrations, you will stay calm because you know that it will pass. And it is inspiring because no matter how big problems that will come along your way, you will keep on moving because you know that God will be there for you. Like the footprints in the sun. And then you are free. You are free from worrying, free from from hatred, free from negative emotions. Of course, you are only human beings, but when you pray, God will give you the rests. Will give you the comfort, and it's infinite. It's never ending contentment, never ending peace you will experience. And the last, you see, you are certain. You are certain in your life that you have a relationship with the Lord no matter what happens, even this coming of Jesus Christ, even though they say that the second coming of Jesus Christ is near, you are very peaceful and calm because you know that God is with you. Remember that if God is with you, who can be against you? And this is the feeling that you will experience when you have a personal relationship with the Lord, just like the Pacific Ocean. It's infinite. It's a powerful, and do not be afraid of those waves because those are part of life. And I am so happy to give this to use this platform, this media, to give positivity and share my experiences. God will work in your life.